You're watching Fix It with Patrick. In this episode, we're going to be looking at replacing the GoTrax Scooter Rear tire. This particular model we're looking at will be a G4 model, which is pretty common. This example here is a 10x2 tire, 54/152. Just look at the sidewall and you can tell which tire you need to order. I can put a link to the tire that I ordered in the chat as well after the video. So what you're going to do is take off these two screws holding a plate. It's going to be the same plate on both sides, so you'll just remove both of those and you'll access a bolt on the other side. Here's the bolt, and this is the side that actually has the power for the motor. It's in the wheel, but don't worry, just loosen the bolt. It's using a 17mm wrench, and you may have to kind of wiggle it out a little bit, kind of pull the cord out just a little bit to give you a little extra room to get it loose and off there. But here's the other side that has the brake mechanism. Again, it has the plate and similar bolt, same size, so just use that 17mm to loosen that all the way, and you'll just wiggle that out from the brake caliper. And you know, this takes a little bit of wiggling here, but it will come out, don't worry. And you notice when you take it out, it has a little washer there to try to keep it back in the right track. Here, just take a tool here and you can loosen all these bolts around the whole side, and then this will expose the tire and you can remove that rim. And then here we can actually pull the tube out that's on the inside. Just comes right on out, and you can take the tire off as well at the same time. Here's what you'll see. That's just the motor itself. There's the brake caliper we're looking out there. And I know on mine I had a problem with the valve stem. I just polished the little spot around the edge there for that. And then here we had also just kind of re-put everything back in the way it was. You're just going to put the tube back in the tire, put it through the little stem hole, slide it all back together, put the plate around the edge again, put your bolts in, and tighten everything back up just the way you took it off. It's really not too bad of a project. I think it does help to put a little bit of air in your tube, maybe a couple of pounds when you're putting it in. Just make sure it's nice and not kind of wrapped up or anything, and the tube's nice and straight and not twisted or anything like that when you're putting it back in. So that's really it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and appreciate your time. Thanks, bye. Hopefully it helped.